Hi everyone. Welcome to Learn with Confidence, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we'll go through simple English questions that everyone should know. These are perfect for beginners and will help you in daily conversations. Let's get started. 1. What's your name? This is the most common way to introduce yourself. Answer: My name is John. What's yours? For example, my name is John. What's yours? 2. How are you? A polite and friendly way to greet someone. Answer: I'm fine, thank you. And you? For example, I'm doing well, thanks. 3. Where are you from? This question helps you learn about someone's background. Answer: I'm from Canada. Where are you from? For example, I'm from India. 4. How old are you? A common question to talk about age. Answer: I'm 25 years old. For example, I'm 18 years old. 5. What do you do? This is used to ask about someone's job or activity. Answer: I'm a teacher, or I'm a student. For example, I work as an engineer. 6. What's the weather like today? A great small talk question. Answer: It's sunny and warm. For example, it's cold and cloudy today. 7. Can you help me? A polite way to ask for assistance. Answer: Of course. What do you need? For example, yes, I'm happy to help. 8. How much does this cost? Useful when shopping. Answer: It costs $20. For example, it's $15. 9. What's your favorite food? A fun question to get to know someone. Answer: My favorite food is pizza. For example, I love sushi. What about you? 10. Do you speak English? A helpful question when traveling or meeting someone new. Answer: Yes, I speak a little English. For example, yes, but I'm still learning. And that's it for today's lesson on simple English questions you should know. Practice these questions and answers to improve your English and sound more confident. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.